Hi, good morning to everyone. How are you, amiguitos? It's me, Paul, your one and only. The one that you love most. Guys, I'm today in Dairy Queen because I'm trying now for the first time the Royal Blizzard, the Oreo Royal Blizzard from Dairy Queen. And I ordered a medium size Royal Blizzard. See, look, all the goodies are there. I also found a bunch of crunchy, delicious pieces of Oreo bits inside, Oreo bits cookie, and it has a chocolate fudge inside, and marshmallow and some strawberries on it. And then they have in 3 different kind of flavors. They have the Royal Oreo, the New York's Cheesecake, and they have the Royal Rocky Brownie for this kind, for the Royal. And the reason why they named the Royal Blizzard for this lineup of Dairy Queen is because I think it was back in 2016. That's what I googled. 2016 for the Queen from England in Europe, so in commemoration of her 90th birthday during that time, and it's still available until now. So the price for this guy is $6.69 Canadian dollars. I'm gonna go now for a bite. Super crunchy Oreo bit, guys. Super chocolatey, crunchy. And a lot of chocolate fudge inside. You have to dig inside a little bit. You have to dig inside, guys. Don't go on top right away. Dig in the bottom a little because all the fudge are right on the bottom. I think they put also, I think instead of strawberries, I think I tell her to put marshmallow, so that's what it is. Yeah, I have also marshmallow, no strawberries, but they do have marshmallow. To make the more consistent, to make the ice cream more have that kind of a gooey consistency. All right, there's something I would like to say. I'm in the mall. I think you guys already know where am I right now, and I would like to make a constructive critic to the people in Dairy Queen in this mall. This mall start with the letter S and end up with the letter E. One constructive critic to the attendant in the Dairy Queen in this particular mall. Look at my face. You don't give attitude. Please do not give attitude to your customer. I went to her one time. Before doing my shopping in Walmart, I go to her one. I asked her if they were open. And then she gave a bad attitude. She said, no, they're not open. It was almost time. I said, okay, I'll come back again. I come after 10:30. After a while, I came 30. And then I said, you guys open already? And he said, yeah. And then she do like that with her hands. And then later, after she prepared the Royal Blizzard, the ice cream, when they brought it to me, when she brought it to me, She like practically, she flipped it down. Look, what is that? Like I say, it's so good, you won't even flip. Like, you know, you need to have keep your composure. You people, when you're working, you're dealing with customers. You understand that? You people are dealing with customers, paying customers. All right, and that's not the right attitude to run a business. So the people in Dairy Queen, whoever is in charge of the Dairy Queen running in this mall, you people need to check on your employees, some of them, because their attitude is not the best. We need to be a little more professional on that matter. So I'm gonna rate this, the Oreo Royal Blizzard. I'm gonna rate it. I'm gonna rate this an 8. And attendant, they gotta do something about her. She don't have the appropriate attitude to run a business in this mall. So that will be my review for today. And I will see you guys later. And one more thing I would like to say, don't let nobody or anything spoil your vacation. Thank you and have a great day. See you guys later.